Mutongoi wana Kenya Mwandu Martha Karua ni wakule ndongo ya ODM Raila Odinga athuke utewa unenania wa serikali ulobaniyo kutoa isia bala wawetakana Raila enda kulikilela savali ite yake nthini wa mawaluku ma Mutongoi alamuika ma Gen Z maendena kusukumesia meaniwe Karua nthini wakikalo na andiki mama uvono wawetakana ibinda yonthe ila taazimio masukumia mawaluku serikali nene kuisila maandamano bayethi awa na maosia ukumano na mawiwano ma kimbithini na imosia ndongoi thini wa azimio na nivinda oyu Raila pamwe na ateti thini wa azimio manenge mwanya muika wa Gen Z uendesie savale yo nginya muthia bate kulikilelwa ni ateti.
Mwaniko thini wa thumba ya azimio kukonya unenanya ulo vangitwo ni serikali no wende kwivuvia. Umonthi ndongo ya na Kenya Mwandu Martha Karua haimwenda mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga ulengini wa muneno wa ngwatano yo ole yevetange kulikilela savali ya mwika wa Gen Z mulo athingila nongi na mwika unengwe mwana kwikia serikali kithimine ute kulikilelwa ni ateti methwe ngalikoni ya serikali kana alama ule.
This particular Gen Z demonstrations were not by us. We tried as Azimio. We failed. Through the usual methods, come with dialogue, before you know it, co-option and compromise. Let us allow our children space to bring accountability to this country without necessarily trying to take them over.
Nwathingilila vaina bato na umwembe President Ruto kutwa isi onenanya kwithwa maundu onthe ala maende kukilia muti ya maikwenda kwikalilwa mesani pala umane ya sieko siao yumetukivalami ya kayende kukolanywa imani ya kore ni kwale mbakasi vamusini lovi aiweta maundu ta a President no ile kuosa matambia maki meo kwa miviele komete wiani ate kuhetela maunena nyam.
What dialogue is necessary to get all the senior officers in Nairobi who have been in place when this is happening to go home or be suspended? What dialogue is needed to get police officers whose faces have been in the media shooting wantonly, killing people? What dialogue is needed for them to go home? And what dialogue is needed on corruption? What dialogue is needed for the clear message to William Ruto and his regime that they must exit the stage?
Karua ni wakulia President William Ruto hevetange kivilani kwa kusindwa nthini wa kusezea mathayu ma NND wale nenthi ingi manaisya mathayu mokoni ma maofisa ma volisi manoni ama vitie na oyu nthini wa kilingisi giki ende muti ya chakwale.
We are asking, is it possible, the way the DCI was explaining today, that an individual can murder more than 10 women, dismember them, place them in sacks, transport them to a quarry next to a police station without detection and in a crowded area? The only people with the capacity to do that kind of industrial scale criminal enterprise is state agencies gone rogue. Is it a coincidence that we are finding dismembered female bodies at a time like this? Is it a coincidence also that we have heard murmurs about massacre in Githurai? Is this why there are no bodies in the mortuaries? Until the Kware dump site is drained and we see that there are no more bodies. Any other explanation by the DCI, by the police, is not credible.
Vilingwa mauvokwa va kauntini ya Ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwakam.